Hello again to this week's Code Bite. My name is Bassem Dredi and today we're going to be talking about Markdown. Markdown is a lightweight markup language with plain text formatting syntax. It is designed so that it can be converted to HTML or any other format that you'd like, PDF for example. It is mainly used for README files or writing nice looking formatted texts in forums using just plain text editors. The markup syntax is quite simple, and now we're going to go through an overview of the basic features. I will be using in this tutorial Visual Studio Code, and in order for you to write Markdown and see it in live preview, you will need to install a few extensions like Markdown TOC, Markdown Preview Enhanced, and Markdown All-in-One, for example, for syntax highlight and whatnot. Let's start off by a simple plain text non-formatted paragraph. We can type in hello world, for example, and you can see on the right of the screen I have the text in live preview. Next, we're going to add a header, and the way we can do that is by adding a hash before the text. Next, we're going to add some additional non-formatted text. This is a Markdown tutorial, and let's say we want to emphasize some words with bold or italics, and we can do that as such by adding 2 asterisks for bold formatting, and we can add 1 asterisk for italics. And as you can see in the preview, the formatting is immediately applied. We can have multiple header levels as such, hello world, and then we can add a subtitle, and then some more non-formatted text. Now let's say we want to add some clickable links, and you can do so by adding the arrows. info@sefactory.io, or visit our website like this, http sefactory.io, and these are clickable links. If I click on them, it will open up the browser. Next, let's create some more advanced examples by, for example, adding lists, unordered or ordered lists, and we're going to do it as such. We can use the asterisk, and if we want to add nested lists, we can just add indentation. I press the tab button here, topic number 1, topic number 2, sorry for the typo, week 2, topic number 3, topic number 4. Let's say I want to have an ordered list. I can just replace the asterisk with a number, and topic number 5, topic number 6, and as you can see, Markdown will automatically increment the numbers in my list. And finally, let's say we want to add some code blocks. We want the code blocks to be not formatted, and we can do it as such, code sample. If we want to add some code snippets, we can use the backticks as such, print hello world, and as you can see, whatever we write in them is not formatted. It's added into this small non-formatting tag. And let's say we want to add more elaborate code, like a block code. We can do it as such by having 3 backticks this time, hello world, and we can close it again, and as you can see here, we have a block of code. Of course, there are plenty of other features, but we're going to stop here today. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to like and share with your friends, and see you next week.